All right, so we're going to be solving equations again. Okay, this is a little activity for you. First things first, put your name. Okay, put your name right now. Okay, so I'm going to solve a couple of these with you, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So again, I'm going to be using the calculator. Let me clear what I have on it right now. I'm going to be using the calculator to help solve these equations. So let's look at number 1. Number 1, 13x plus 7 equals 8x plus 27. We're going to split that down the middle, right? This side goes into y1, this side goes into y2. So y equals y1, we put 13x plus 7. In y2, put 8x plus 27. Hit graph. Okay, so second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. X equals 4, so x equals 4. Okay. Let's look at number 3 now. Okay, so number 3, we have negative 5x plus 2 equals 10 minus 9x. So negative 5x plus 2 we put into y1. And in y2 we put 10 minus 9x. Whoops. Okay, hit graph. Whoops. Hit graph. Now, second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. It says that x is 2. So that's what you put here. X equals 2. Okay, now let's do number 4. Number 4, you're still going to type it in exactly how you see it right now, okay? So number 4, we're typing in that 2 parentheses 4x minus 3. Okay, and then in y2, on this side, 4x minus 79. 78 minus 78. Okay, graph it. Second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. Okay, remember what I told you to do whenever this happens. First, I want you to check the table. Be sure they're not the exact same line. They're not, okay? So now what I want you to do is zoom out. Zoom, zoom out. Okay, so let's try now. Second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. All right, x is negative 18. So that was number 4. X is negative 18. Okay, let's go to the color side. So let's look at the red one. 4x plus 10. So in y equals y1, that's what we're going to put. 4x plus 10. And in y2, we'll put 7x plus 16. Okay, graph it. Second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. It says that x is negative 2, so that's what we put. Don't forget your negative. Super important, super important. Okay, so let's look at dark green here. Let me make it up higher so that we can see it. Okay, so the dark green. So y equals 6 minus 6x. Okay, and then the other side, we put the other side. Negative 2, x plus 5. Okay, graph it. We want to see where they're crossing because that's where our answer is. So we do second trace. Why do we pick 5? Because 5 is intersect, okay? And we're looking for where they're crossing. So 5, enter, enter, enter. It says that x is 4. So that's what we put. Dark, what was it? Dark green. X equals 4. Okay, one more, let's do dark blue. Okay, so dark blue. Y1, we have that negative 8, 2x minus 9. Okay, and then y2, we have 20 minus 12x. Okay, so let's graph it. Second, trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. It says that x is 13, so that's what we put. Okay? So, here's how you're going to do it after that. Okay? Because if you notice on the back side of your paper, you've got a picture with a bunch of numbers on it. Okay? I do have colored pencils, so if you need colored pencils, you come get them for me. Just be sure you put them up correctly. Okay? Don't make a mess. Don't lose my pencils. Be responsible with my stuff. Okay, so here's how this works. You saw that 1 is x equals 4, right? We also saw that dark green is x equals 4. So what you're going to do, I only have a light green, forgive me. So what you're going to do is any number that's 1 is going to be x, or any 1 is going to be a dark green, okay? So like, let's flip over. Anywhere I see a 1, you're going to color dark green. Like I said, I only have a light green. Okay, so what you're doing is you're matching up the numbers to the colors, and then you'll come on the back and you'll color that number with the color it's supposed to be. All right, so let's go back to the other side because I do want to tell you something else really quick. Just a suggestion for you. Submit the answers before coloring. Okay, because you want to make sure you have them all right, and coloring is going to take some time, and you still want to get credit for this paper. So be sure to submit your answers online before you color. All right, this work is due today. Let me know if you need any help. Good luck.